In my last video, I asked you guys to take an IQ test to see how smart my audience is. And hold up, wait a minute, low-key, y'all kind of smart. Because my IQ right here, it says it's like 133 up to 149. That's like genius levels, right? Now, let's go to like the actual like charts that I got. Category, IQ categories is we got the 140 plus, the 120, 139, the 110, 119, the 90, the 90, 109, the 80, 89, and then the below 79. As we can see here from this epic statistical analysis chart made by a real engineer, by the way, aka Gabi. It says here that 24 people out of the 164 that actually took the test got over 140 plus IQ. That is low-key crazy. And then, yeah, it seems like the average is like 120, 139. That's still insane though, low-key, because that's above average. Low-key. Nah, because look how many people did the IQ test, bro. It's not loading, but it's like, because like, I don't know, my Discord being a bomb. Invincible. Yo, what the fuck? See, a lot of people took the IQ test. A lot of people joined my server for the IQ test. Low-key peak. I think in total it's like 164 people. Damn! 164 people. Yeah, so let's go through all these graphs, low-key. All right, first up, we got the individual average IQ. So this is sort of from the lowest all the way to the highest. So the lowest IQ score that we got is 66. Yo, are you even allowed in school, my guy? Because what the f, I've never seen this. Or the dude was lying, because like it is like an online test after all. People could have like inspected element, but this is low-key a little too suspicious, if I know what I mean. So yeah, we got like the lower limits and the upper limits. That's like peak. I have no idea what this means, bro. I'm not an engineer, bro. So yeah, and the highest we got was 157, which is also crazy because I think that's higher than like Elon Musk's IQ, and that MF made Tesla car. What the? All right, first of all, we got to look at the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, IVs, aka the WAIS IVs, like from the Pokemon games. We got the IQ and the classification. 130 and above, that's a very superior IQ. 120 to 129, superior. 110 to 119 is high average. 90 to 109 is average. 80 to 89 is low average. 70 to 79 is borderline. And 69 and below is mentally athoma. So like the dude that I low-key made fun of, my bad, twin. Because if we go like right here, hold up, where's my IQ? My IQ is like 139 to like 149 or something. That's like here, gang. That's like, damn. That's like I'm in the top category, gang. I'm in the very superior category. But then also 24 other people were in the superior category. So I think some of y'all motherfuckers just lying, because what the f. All right, TFP's viewer IQs. All right, so the minimum is 66. The Q1 is 112. Median is 124. So that's everything combined, and then just like put in like the middle, like the average, low key. Q3 is 129, and the max IQ recorded is 157. That's crazy high, bro. We got the box and whisker plot of TFP viewers IQ points. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen this chart in my life. What is Mjolnir doing here, bro? Okay, so I guess this is like where the average IQ is. I'm guessing it's like 115 to like 125, maybe. I think so. I think that's what it is. Cause hold up. Yeah, cause like hold up, cause the mean is 121. The median is 124. Mode is 129, and then the STD is 14 people have an STD. That's low-key crazy. Out of the 2,500 people, 14 have an STD. That's kind of crazy. Aren't you guys kids? All right, the amount of participants. I already said there's like 164 people that participated, but I only counted the people in my Discord server. So to those who put the IQ in the comments, that didn't count because you had to join my Discord. It was literally a requirement. And also the people that left my Discord server after they posted their results, I also did not include you because f you. So yeah, I think the average IQ in the entire world is like 100. Only one person got that. I think my view, yo, you guys are special and not in a good way. Now let's go over here. What the fuck is this, bro? Bins? We got the bins. I guess that's the IQ, the normal dist formula. Oh, this is probably like the percentage, right? The percentage of how many people got it. So like 68% got like 122, which is like normal, which like, yeah. Okay, I'm smart as f. Again, I didn't make this. I got like a real life engineer to do this. He's dropping out next year though. I think it's part of this one, bro. The histogram and distribution of TFP's audience, which is my audience. 7-point bin width. Okay, so we got the histogram that's like red, or it's like dark red. The norm disk that's like the line, and the histogram 2 that's like the bright red. Hold up, wait a fucking minute. I see a note from Gavin Tranquilizer. All right, let's see this. So the conclusion, okay, this one is crazy. The conclusion, your group is not an average cross-section of the general population. It likely represents a high IQ biased sample. Damn. I got no idea what that mean though. Okay, 2, normal curve overestimates low IQ values. The curve assumes many scores between 80 and 100, which is the average, I think. But your histogram shows almost none in that range. Peak. That part of the area under the normal curve is wasted. Damn, y'all got wasted as bro. Y'all gotta drink water after that, bro. Okay, light bulb. This shows a mismatch between model and data. The model assumes symmetry, but your real data doesn't fit that. 3, potential causes of left skew. I think it's skew. Left skew selection bias. Were these people pre-selected for a high IQ? Maybe, I don't know. Measurement method. Maybe test floors were biased. Kinda, maybe. Sample characteristics, e.g. competitive group, online IQ, enthusiast, etc. Okay, let's give that a whoop whoop. Let's give that a whoop whoop. All right, so as we can clearly see, this is like the norm. This should be like the average for like people on Earth, but since you guys are so smart, you guys are like all the way over here. You're past that bro. And even like a little right here, 143. More people got a way higher score than like an average higher score, and then like lower than like, oh my god. You guys are so confusing in the comments and even with IQ. I think my audience has got geniuses in them. Yo, you guys should do YouTube. Count versus IQ category. All right, so this is how many people scored like the only like 2 people scored below 79, which yeah, he put a skull emoji, valid. That's so valid. Low average 80 to 89. That's like 4 people or some a normal IQ. So damn, like a low number of people, or like a low number of my audience that participated only have a normal IQ. I'd expect this to be like up. Honestly, I expected everything to below 79, but I'm not gonna talk about that. There's like 19 people that got the normal IQ, and then there's like 39 or some people with a high average. Superior is 120, 139. It's also a Pokemon. Bro, 76 people got this, and it's like the most like amount of results people got. That's crazy. 140, low key, that's like 24. So are you going to tell me that more people have a above superior IQ result than just a regular one? My audience smart as twin on phone, which is crazy to think about. I keep saying that, but like consider what the my comments look like, bro. And to the people that joined my Discord server, those guys are fucking stupid. Like, hold up. Let's go to my server, gang. Let's see, like, the most recent like, here, like, there you go, bro. What the bro? And then we got, like, oh my god, Randy kind of big. Damn. Like a bro, like a monster. These are not geniuses, bro. I'm gonna just tell you straight up. These are not geniuses, bro. All right, I think last we got the pie chart. This is like the most easy chart to read ever. Let's start with the red, the smallest thing. The red, there's no shit for the red. I think that's just below average, or like super below average. It didn't even give me a percentage, but if I had to guess, it's like 1%. Okay, so 2.4% got a low average, 80 to 89. Green, the 11.6% that's normal. It's still crazy that normal's this low. High average, 23.8%. Oh wait, hold up, we forgot that 140 plus. That's 14.6%. Like, see, that's what I'm saying. How is there more 140 than normal? Superior, 120 to 139. That's 46.3%. Yeah, damn, that's almost half, bro. So yeah, all this, bro, just to conclude that I'm still the smartest out of all you guys. I'm just saying this. Nah, actually, hold up. The real question is, what does IQ actually measure? Let's look it up, or let's ask ChatGPT. Anything I can help with? Of course, bro. What does IQ actually measure? W measuring tape. IQ, or intelligence quotient, is a score derived from standardized tests designed to measure human intelligence. However,
The concept of intelligence is complex and can mean different things depending on how it's defined. Generally, IQ tests aim to measure certain cognitive abilities, such as logical reasoning, the ability to think logically, analyze patterns, and solve problems; mathematical ability, the capacity to work with numbers and perform mathematical operations; spatial awareness, the ability to understand and manipulate objects in space, like visualizing shapes and solving puzzles; verbal skills, the ability to understand and reason with language, including vocabulary and comprehension. Yeah, y'all ain't doing that shit, bro. Memory is short-term memory and sometimes long-term memory for facts or learned skills. IQ tests typically don't measure other forms of intelligence, such as creativity, emotional intelligence, practical problem solving, or social intelligence, which are also important components of a person's overall cognitive ability. While IQ tests can give an indication of some intellectual abilities, they don't provide a full picture of someone's cognitive potential.
Does that help clarify things? No! Oh, oh, it actually gave me more. Oh, damn. All right, let me break it down. All right, break it down. Actually, I'm not reading that. All right, Gankakus, what have we learned? We have learned that I still don't know what this shit means, bro. All right, I will give it up. Clap, everyone clap your cheeks. Because a lot of you are showing signs of like superior intelligence. So what is the conclusion of this experiment? The minimum IQ is 66. Max is 157, and the median, aka the average IQ of everyone combined, is 124, which, if we go to the WAI scale, that is a superior IQ. So, my audience is superior!